Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my today's video. In this video, we will learn what is SAP SuccessFactors. Many students have this question, what is SAP SuccessFactors? What is SAP SuccessFactors? SAP SuccessFactors. Exactly what SAP SuccessFactor does in SAP system. What is SAP SuccessFactor? What SAP SuccessFactor does in SAP system. So the first point I have to tell you what is SAP SuccessFactor. So SAP SuccessFactor is a complete, we can say complete cloud-based, cloud-based human capital management software. Human capital management software. Management software. Now, what SAP exactly? What SAP does? This is a human capital management software. It means that SAP SuccessFactors handles entire employee related everything. Everything that means so SAP SuccessFactor, if I say SAP SuccessFactors helps organizations to manage their entire HR process. So whatever processes are happen in the company, everything. It means from employee hiring to their retirement, to their retirement. What does that mean? What does that mean? It means first of all you have to hire an employee in the organization. Okay. After that, you have to set some goals. You have to give some goals to that employees. So you have to set some goals of employees. After that, you have to check that employees performance, performance, performance. Then okay, you have to promote. You can say maybe promotion. You will do, you will do as well as salary structure, salary increment. We can say salary increment, employees. We can say employees may be transferred from one location to another location, from one department to another department. Employee is terminated. Maybe employees will terminate employees if you require to skill up an employee. So you have some learning programs, some career development programs, and finally, employee retire from the organization. So these all the things in one place. We can say all the thing in one place. If you want to manage this entire things, HR related, their attendance, absence, transfer, termination, retired, okay, their goals, performance, promotion, everything. If you want to maintain, so you required SAP SuccessFactor. Through SAP SuccessFactor, you can maintain. So in SAP SuccessFactor, we can say there are 12 plus modules. There are guys 12 plus modules. Like I have to give some example, it will more clear. Okay. If you want to manage employees master data, their foundation data, so there is SAP SuccessFactors Employee Centers, Employee Center. SAP SuccessFactor Employee Center should be called EC. Similarly, if you want to maintain employees global payroll, employees, okay, companies, employees payroll related. So there is employee central payroll. There is employee central payroll. There is employee central payroll, ECP. Similarly, if you want to, okay, hire an employee in the organization, so there is onboarding, there is recruitment, there is recruitment, there is recruitment module. We can say onboarding module, recruitment modules, smart recruiter. In SAP, there is a smart recruiter, a smart recruiter. So these are the different modules. These are the different modules for hiring. If you want to set employees goal, so there is SAP SAP SuccessFactors goal management module that we call GM, that we call GM. Similarly, if you want to check any employee performance, any performance, so there is performance management mode. There is performance management module. Similarly, for employees learning, their skilling, there are different modules to skill up an employee. So there is learning management system, career development. You can set employee career development planning as well as salary related. There is compensation management. There is compensation management. And finally, there are lots of other modules. If you want to attendance related, so there is time management. There is time management module. And finally, employees offer, or we can say retire from the organization. So that is if you want to make this thing. So there is offboarding mode. So if you see, these are the different modules in SAP. Approximately, there are other lots of other modules also, but these are the modules in SAP. So what is SAP SuccessFactors? So it is a cloud-based human capital, means employees management software, okay, ERP software in SAP. Through that, we have to manage entire employee related data. So this is our SAP SuccessFactor. I hope guys you understand what is SAP SuccessFactor. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.